Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Recently, Appa has been watching a lot of YouTube from China. People making chicken stew, but they put in a lot of chili. So I'm going to put it the same, but just to play safe, I'm using the big chili that is actually not spicy at all. So, but just to get the fragrance and aroma from the red and also green chili itself. So I'm using the big chili and cut into chunks. I'm using about 3-4 pieces of red chili and also green chili each. Then I have about 1 kg of chicken parts. Yeah, I'm using a free-range chicken today. And we will need some minced garlic, ginger slices, and also spring onion. Right, this is not a very difficult dish. Just to make it into a stew, yeah. Give it a little bit of oil here and let's heat it up. Once the oil has heated up, we can put in the spring onion, ginger, and also garlic. And get ready the chicken at the side. If you want to marinate your chicken with a bit of light soy sauce, you can do so, no problem. I did not marinate the chicken today. So let's saute this for about a minute before we continue. We'll come back shortly. We can actually put in the chicken. Let me double check the focus. Keep it on medium high heat right now, yeah. It's already very, very fragrant, let me tell you. A lot of people always thought anything you put chili, it will be spicy. Actually, no. If you use the right chili, a lot of chili out there is actually not spicy. It only gives you the aroma, yeah. So now we are going to give it some seasoning here. Let me tune down the fire a bit. 2 rounds of light soy sauce. Some dark soy sauce for the color. Some Shaoxing wine for the umami flavor. Ooh, bit of oyster sauce. Now we can raise the heat a bit. A bit of salt. Some of my Cooking Appa mushroom powder. Yes, new product, not launched yet. It's vegetarian. And you want to give it a little bit of sugar there, yeah. Let's give it a few stir. There's a lot of provinces in China where you can find they will make use of free-range chicken to make chicken stew, yeah? And usually those are very, very spicy type. So today, even though I'm using chili, but our chili today is not spicy, just to get the aroma. Give it some filtered water. Alright. Just enough for your chicken to be submerged under the broth. And let's bring this broth into a boil. So once this is boiling, we can put in the lid and tune down to medium or medium-low, and let's cook it for between 15 to 20 minutes. I would say 20, maybe 15 is good enough. We'll see how the broth reduce. All right, this is after about 15-16 minutes of simmering. You can see the broth has reduced by itself. Almost done. Now I'm going to add in the chili. Let me check the focus first. Is it correct? Okay, no problem. Look at how beautiful it is. This is going to be very, very appetizing. Give it a few stir. Raise the heat a bit. Not done yet. I'm going to give it some starch solution to further thicken out the sauce. Done. Very appetizing dish is ready for tonight's dinner. You control how much time you want to cook your chili, up to you, right? I prefer to be a bit raw. And right before serving, I'm going to give it a few dashes of white pepper. Alright, you can garnish it with some fresh coriander on top also, yeah, optional. But basically, if you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page, you click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.